hot. That's hot sauce? Pepper. Like hot? Yeah. Thank you. Alright. You want this? No? Alright, thank you. You don't know what hot sauce is? Jesus. Yeah, this shit smells like some fucking ultra hot sauce over here. Come on, can a nigga enjoy his pastelito in the hood? Can a nigga enjoy his pastelito in the hood? Alright, here we go. Let's see if this shit's even some fucking hot sauce. It smells pretty hot to me. It smells pretty hot to me, gang. I think it's that hot sauce. I don't know why she didn't understand the word hot sauce. Yeah, that's hot sauce, cuz. That's the shit I want. I'm motherfucking that sauce, cuz. Just let your shit marinate in there for a little bit. Let your shit marinate in there. It's a chicken pastelito. Oh! The Spanish pastelito. That hot sauce hit the spot. It was worth it. Without the hot sauce, there ain't no pastelito, guys. It's just dried chicken, so you gotta get that nice hot sauce in it. Let that meat. They fry these too. Put Spanish season, bunch of shit on it. But just let that dry chicken meat sit in that hot sauce for a little bit, soak up. I can't complain now. This is the only thing in America that still hasn't went up. These are still $1 for. Tell me that ain't a deal. Crackheads get full off this. They spend $1. That's their meal for the day, cuz. Hell yeah, bro. So these are $1 a piece. You can either get beef, chicken, and there's no limit to how many you buy. I just went and bought once, asked for a little can of hot sauce. I gave her $2, $1 tip. I didn't have to do that, could have just gave her a straight $1. But today I was feeling generous. So look at, that's good pot too right there. You see that crust? That's all crunchy crust that's been fried. You let that hot sauce sizzle in there. They gave me some different type of hot sauce too, because I see peppers and shit in there. Thumbs up, gang. 5 stars. I just found a 5-star meal for $1, gang. No cap. 5-star meal for $1, gang. Shit, I should have got 2 of these. Right, Rel? They do got good chicken wings too. Just how they fry these, they fry their chicken wings too in a fry pan. And they come out nice and crunchy like this. Nice dark meat. But this is what you call a pastelito. They sell them chicken flavored or beef flavored. I never really liked the beef. I like the chicken. And you gotta have the hot sauce. As long as that lady's been working at the truck, I don't understand why she don't understand. Can I get some hot sauce with it? She gives me a white thing. Like, what the fuck? Like, it looked like ranch dressing. Like, lady, you don't understand English word hot sauce? Then I'm like, pica. Ain't pica freaking pepper in Spanish or something? I said, let me get some hot sauce. Pika. Like fucking I'm Pikachu or something. And she still gives me the one that looked like ranch dressing. So I walk all over to my car. I smell it. I'm like, this shit ain't no hot sauce. Fucking chip dip or some shit. I walk back there. I said, I need hot sauce. She pulls out another ranch dressing. I said, pepper. Then she pulled it out. I'm like, Jesus. I would think majority of the people get hot sauce anyways. All the people I know, they get hot sauce with their pastelitos. I never seen nobody get no fucking, I don't know what the thing is, ranch dressing. Burn that chest up. Look, last bite, y'all. It's the crust right here, oil crust. Last bite of oil crust, cuz. Make sure that hot sauce simmers in there. And this shit's also been marinated by the Puerto Ricans, you know what I'm saying? I told you, we in the Puerto Rican spot right now. It's not like plain chicken and hot sauce. I was gonna throw this, but after church. I'm the only person that got respect for us, dog. Where's my napkins at, cuz? I'm happy the church standing in the hood. Alright, y'all. That shit hit the spot. Let's get out and smoke a cigarette real quick. We got two thugs walking over here. Thug hunter. VZ! I haven't been reading my